Greetings and welcome to InvestorWeb, your go-to platform for financial insights and investment strategies. Here at InvestorWeb, we believe in the power of knowledge, especially when it comes to your financial future. Our mission is to equip you with the tools and understanding necessary to navigate the often complex world of finance and investment. In a fluctuating economy, knowing how to strategically manage your funds and where to invest them can make all the difference. Whether it's learning about stocks, real estate, or carving out a side hustle, we are here to guide you through it all. Life may be full of uncertainties, but your financial future doesn't have to be one of them. With the right guidance and a little bit of courage, you can turn economic adversity into an opportunity. Today, we're diving into 10 efficient ways to generate income in a poor economy. So stick around, you don't want to miss this. The first strategy is investing in stocks. Yes, even in a poor economy. It might seem counterintuitive, but a downturn in the economy often presents a golden opportunity to acquire stocks at discounted prices. When the market is low, many stocks become undervalued, which can yield high returns once the economy recovers. Investing in stocks is not a quick, rich scheme. It requires diligent research, a keen understanding of the market, and above all, patience. It's about buying shares in companies you believe in and waiting for their value to grow over time. It's vital to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one basket. Spread your investments across various sectors. This reduces your risk and increases your chances of earning a profit. Stock investing can be a rewarding venture if approached with discipline and patience. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Remember, the stock market is not for the faint-hearted, but for the patient and diligent. The second strategy is real estate investment. Now, you might think that in a poor economy, real estate is a risky venture. But let's flip the coin and see the other side. When the economy is down, property prices often drop too, presenting opportunities to buy at lower prices. And when the economy bounces back, these properties can appreciate in value. Moreover, real estate isn't just about buying and selling. It's also about generating rental income. By investing in rental properties, you can create a steady stream of income that continues to flow even in a sluggish economy. It's important to remember that real estate investment is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful planning, a keen eye for potential, and a good amount of patience, but with the right strategies and a bit of grit, it can potentially yield significant returns. Real estate investment is a long-term game, but it can be a goldmine if played correctly. The third strategy is starting a side hustle. In an unstable economy, having multiple income streams isn't just a smart move, it's a survival strategy. It's like spreading your eggs across various baskets, so if one drops, you've still got plenty left. Think about your skills and hobbies. Can they be monetized? Freelancing, for example, offers a myriad of opportunities. Whether you're a skilled graphic designer, a wordsmith, or a tech guru, there's a market for your talents. Consider tutoring. Are you a whiz in a particular subject? Share your knowledge and get paid for it. What about crafting? If you can create unique handmade items, platforms like Etsy are perfect for showcasing your creations. Remember, it's not about working harder, but smarter. Your side hustle should be something you enjoy, something that taps into your passions and skills. With determination and creativity, a side hustle can turn into a significant income source. The fourth strategy is peer-to-peer lending. Now, you're probably wondering, what on earth is that? Well, peer-to-peer lending, often abbreviated as P2P, is a method where individuals can lend to each other without the need for a traditional financial institution. It's a bit like being your own bank. Platforms like Zopa, Funding Circle, and Prosper have made this process straightforward and accessible. They connect those seeking loans with potential lenders, and that's you. It's an approach that can yield attractive returns, often outpacing traditional savings accounts. Now, don't get too excited just yet. Like any investment, P2P lending comes with its fair share of risks. Borrower default is a real possibility. So, it's vital to diversify your investments and only lend money you can afford to lose. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn passive income, but be aware of the risks involved. It's all about striking that balance between risk and reward. The fifth strategy is online teaching. As the world becomes more digital, so does education. A growing number of students from elementary school to postgraduate studies are turning to online platforms for their educational needs. This shift has created an enormous demand for online teachers and tutors. Now you might ask, how can one capitalize on this trend? Well, if you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer your services as an online teacher. This could be anything from teaching a language, tutoring in science or maths, or providing lessons in music or art. And the great part is, you don't need to be a certified teacher to do this. There are various online platforms that allow you to create and sell your own courses. With the right marketing and quality content, you can build a loyal student base from all over the world. With expertise in a particular field, you can earn a decent income by sharing your knowledge online. The sixth strategy is affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're the middleman, bridging the gap between a product or service and a potential customer. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. You promote a product or service on your platform, perhaps a blog or a social media page. When someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you get a commission. The beauty of this strategy is that you don't need to create a product or offer a service yourself. You're leveraging the hard work of others to earn a profit. The potential earnings can be quite substantial, depending on the product or service you're promoting and the commission's structure. Some affiliate marketers earn a few $100s a month, while others make several thousand. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, though. Success in affiliate marketing requires knowledge, effort, and patience, but with the right approach and a bit of tenacity, it can be a lucrative strategy. Affiliate marketing requires minimal investment and can yield high returns if done correctly. The seventh strategy is dropshipping. Now, this is a fantastic business model, especially if you're looking to start an online business with minimal upfront costs. But what exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. The biggest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. This business model can be incredibly profitable with the right marketing and selection of products. Drop shipping is an excellent way to start an online business with minimal upfront costs. The eighth strategy is investing in precious metals. Now, you may think, why metals? Well, precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum have maintained their value throughout history, making them a reliable investment option, especially during economic downturns. In a poor economy, financial markets can be volatile and unpredictable. This is where precious metals come in. These commodities often move counter to the stock market, providing a safety net when other investments falter. They're also tangible assets that you can hold in your hand, unlike stocks or bonds. Moreover, precious metals can serve as a hedge against inflation. As the cost of living rises, so does the value of gold and silver. This means that even in a faltering economy, your investment in precious metals can retain its value or even increase. Remember, diversifying your investments can help you weather economic storms. Precious metals can be a hedge against inflation and a safe haven in economic uncertainty. The ninth strategy is freelance work. Now, this isn't your regular 9-to-5 job. Freelancing allows you to offer your expertise to a global marketplace right from the comfort of your own home. It's like being an entrepreneur without the overheads of a traditional business. You see, the beauty of freelancing is that it's not limited by geography or even a specific skill set. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or even a consultant, there's a demand for your skills out there. And the best part, you get to set your own rates. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to find work. These platforms connect you with clients looking for your skills, and you can pick and choose projects that suit your schedule and pay requirements. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income or make freelancing your full-time gig, it's a viable option in a poor economy. Freelance work offers flexibility and a wide range of opportunities to earn. The 10th strategy is cost cutting. Now, this may seem simple, but it's a strategy that often gets overlooked. We live in a society that encourages spending, but when the economy isn't doing so well, it's time to tighten the purse strings. Cost cutting isn't just about skipping that morning latte. It's about making conscious choices to reduce your expenses. This could mean downgrading your cable package or cooking at home more often instead of eating out. It could be as simple as switching off lights when you leave a room or as significant as refinancing your mortgage. The key here is to find a balance. You don't want to cut so much that you're miserable, but you do want to cut enough to make a real difference to your financial situation. And remember, every small change adds up. Getting into the habit of saving and cost-cutting can help you weather financial storms. Smart cost-cutting can significantly boost your financial health in a poor economy. So there you have it, 10 ways to make money in a poor economy. We've journeyed through a variety of strategies, from investing in stocks and real estate to starting a side hustle or engaging in peer-to-peer lending. We've also explored the potential of online teaching, affiliate marketing, and drop shipping, not forgetting the timeless wisdom of investing in precious metals or taking on freelance work. And of course, the ever-important practice of cost-cutting. Remember, each of these strategies offers a unique path to financial growth and stability, even in challenging economic times. It's crucial to do your research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. The world of finance is vast and ever-changing, and it's our mission to guide you through it. Don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more financial insights and strategies. Until next time, stay financially savvy.